today and witnessing my Nino and Ninang's wedding.
Hi, vlog!
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. You got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh, how many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down. I'm around through every mood. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you.
So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it is my honor to introduce to you for the very first time the new Mr. Christoper and Erika Pelayo. A round of applause, please! Mr. Junrel Polanse and Mr. Marco Pilapil. For the bridesmaid, we have Miss Louise Nicole Cornelia and Miss Dempsey Azalea Patay. Can I say name? I want to see them, Dempsey. Hi, Dempsey.
You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh, give me all of you. Cards on the table, we're both showing hearts, risking it, although it's hard, 'cause all of me loves all of you. love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all.
Guys, nag-follow up na ang groom. Gusto na dito sa mutabok. Char lang, wala nag-follow up. Bigyan ng jacket si ate! Ayaw lang kuhan, play money. Any bills will do. Desire material. Tinatagoy sa ATM. For Gcash, pwede ra. Ang sa number ni mo ka? Come on, guys! So, kaning nga kwarta nga atong makolek karon. Kang atras sa rito, atrasin sa niga mo. Bina! So, okay na? Ready na ka? Andam na. Andam na! Go get it, Chris! Napasayawan na siya, kuya! Sa'yo na ni mo gang? Sayaw! Inalugod ba Jinoy? Gamay na lang, Jun. And as soon as you collect all the money, you know what to do. You have to seal it with a kiss. Let's give them a big round of applause, please. Thank you sa inyong tanan.
Give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh.
Before I continue, let's lift our glasses and toast to the newlyweds. New brother, Kuya Christoper, thank you for being such a great person in my life, great friend, and even a better brother. You're not only the great man, you're not only the great man, you're really the best man for her, my sister. She is the best woman for you, and most importantly, you're a great cooker and in the family, and also I really love your dishes. And as for you, Ate, I think we can all agree that you're stunning this evening, a bit na. And ikaw, kuya, so nakadaog kang jackpot, so wala na. So ate and kuya, today we celebrate you. We all wish you a lifetime of happiness, love, health, and success, and laughter also. We are so glad that you have found one another, and this day is a reminder that the best is yet to come. Cheers!
Cheers!
You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all